first sight, the scene is like the intelligence headquarters out of a James Bond movie. Rows of typists watch with unfaltering concentration as lights flash on the Videomatic tutor. Here at the Sight and Sound Education Centre in Sydney, it's one of the first applications of the new art of programmed learning. After only 12 hours with the recorded instruction and the black-keyed typewriter, the student is touch typing at between 15 and 20 words a minute. As their proficiency increases, the pace of the lesson is stepped up. The system forces intense concentration. For this reason, the course is spread over 12 sessions of an hour each. No practice between lessons is required. 2 further courses are available, giving students a typing speed of up to 70 words a minute, a speed which usually takes many months to attain.